When your comfort zone heater shows an E1 error code, it's not something to ignore. This code is a built-in safety warning that tells you the heater has detected a high temperature issue or a fault in its internal safety communication system. To prevent overheating, fire risk, or internal damage, the heater automatically shuts itself off. In most cases, the fix starts simple. First, reset the heater by unplugging it completely and waiting 5 to 10 minutes so it can cool down fully, then plug it back in and turn it on. Next, check the environment. Make sure the heater isn't in a tight or enclosed space, isn't near curtains or furniture, and that all air vents are clean and unblocked, since dust buildup can easily cause overheating. Also, verify the power source. Plug the heater directly into a wall outlet, avoid extension cords or power strips, as they can cause voltage issues and trigger safety errors. If the E1 error keeps coming back, the problem is likely more serious, such as a faulty high limit temperature switch or damaged internal wiring. These components are critical safety parts and should not be repaired without proper training. At that point, the safest option is to stop using the heater and contact comfort zone support or a qualified technician. Space heaters are a leading cause of household fires, so continuing to use a heater that repeatedly shows E1 can be dangerous.